असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
See the next one, preparation of baking soda. So this preparation of baking soda from sodium chloride. So what is the chemical name of baking soda? That is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The chemical formula of this sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So how it is prepared? See. So when sodium chloride is reacts with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, it will form ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate, nothing but baking soda. This is the main product. Yes, from sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. So all these components are reacted together and form sodium ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is the main product in this chemical equation as a product side. So this is a baking soda, or also we can call sodium hydrogen carbonate. So what are the uses of this baking soda? Yes. So it is, baking soda is used as a faster cooking, and also it is used is an ingredient in antacids. It is also used as a mild antiseptic, and baking powder is used to prepare bread or cake to make them soft and spongy. So here I'll write faster cooking, and it is used as an ingredient in antacids it is used as mild antiseptics and it is used as acid fire extinguishers. And also the baking powder is used as in bread or cake, because by using of baking powder it is make the food soft and spongy. This is about baking soda. One is a preparation of washing soda. So washing soda is obtained from sodium chloride. So before we learn about baking soda is also prepared from sodium chloride. So what is the chemical equation there takes place in baking soda preparation? So that is, when sodium chloride is reacts with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, it will form ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is nothing but baking soda. So on heating baking soda, we will get sodium carbonate. Okay, so on heating this sodium hydrogen carbonate, we will get sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. This is the sodium carbonate. Now, recrystallization of sodium carbonate forms washing soda. Okay, so recrystallization of the sodium carbonate forms washing soda. So that is Na2CO3 reacts with 10 molecules of water. So here the recrystallization of this will take place, formation of washing soda. Right? So this is the preparation of washing soda from sodium chloride. Yes, so what are the uses of this washing soda? So washing soda, or also called sodium carbonate, it is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium components such as borax. It is also used in removing of permanent hardness of water. Okay, so here I'll write the uses. So washing soda or sodium carbonate used in paper, soap and glass industries. It is used in manufacture of sodium components. Such as borax, and also it is used in removing permanent hardness of water. So this is the preparation of washing soda and some are the uses of this washing soda, right?